How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home. Children, I am Pallavi, your pre-primary facilitator from the Millennium family. So children, can you tell me about which season are you learning right now? Huh? Right now, about which season are you learning? About rainy season? Oh yes, you're right. Children, as we are learning about rainy season, today in this activity, we will learn to speak simple sentences about what we love to do during rainy season. Alright, we will learn to speak simple sentences like, I love to walk in the rain. I love my umbrella. I love paper boats. Yes. So children, like this, you have to speak simple sentences. Okay. Okay. So children, we will sing a song today, and the song you all know, I think. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Yes. Do you know the song? Okay. So today we will learn this song and we will speak simple sentences. Alright? Okay. So children, let's start. Let's start singing this song. So let's start the rhyme. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Tani wants to play. Little Tani wants to play. So Tani, this is your turn to come forward and speak something. So what do you like about rainy season?
I like to jump in the puddles.
Oh wow, it's so fun. So Tani, can you show us how you jumped in the puddles?
No, because we can't go outside.
Oh, you're right. So ma'am is having something for you. This is a cutout of a puddle. Okay, you can show us how you jump on the puddles.
Splash, splash. Tani, what is this splash? He splashed out there. See, water is splashing. Let's do it together. Splash, splash, splash.
Very good. So now again we will sing the rhyme. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Yashi wants to play. Little Yashi wants to play. So Yashi, this is your turn to come forward and speak something.
I love to play with the paper boat.
Oh wow, very good. Please come back. Again we have to sing the rhyme. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
Dear ma'am wants to play. Dear ma'am wants to play.
Oh, so this is my turn.
Yes.
Okay, so wait, let me take my umbrella. Walk in the rain. See my umbrella. So, I love to walk in the rain. Children, learn the song, sing it at your home, and learn to speak simple sentences about rainy season. Record a video and send it to your ma'am. Okay, so bye-bye children. Happy learning about rainy season. Bye-bye. Stay safe at home.